Welcome, fellow space explorers. Today, we embark on an extraordinary voyage through the vastness of our solar system as we delve into the captivating world of solar system imaging. I'm your host, Stories Through by AI, and I'm thrilled to have you join us. If you're as fascinated by the wonders of our cosmic neighborhood as we are, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell to join our community of fellow space enthusiasts. The solar system, our celestial neighborhood, is filled with awe-inspiring planets, moons, and other intriguing objects. Today, we'll uncover the secrets of capturing the beauty and magnificence of the solar system through the art of imaging. Solar system imaging allows us to capture the intricate details of the planets, their moons, and other celestial bodies. It's like having a front-row seat to the wonders of our cosmic playground. But how do we capture these breathtaking images? Let's dive into the techniques, equipment, and tools that enable us to reveal the hidden gems of our solar system. From choosing the right telescope and camera to understanding the principles of planetary imaging, each step plays a crucial role in capturing the beauty of our neighboring worlds. We'll guide you through the process, so you can embark on your own journey into the realm of solar system imaging. Once you've captured your images, the magic continues during post-processing. We'll explore the software and techniques to enhance and bring out the intricate details of the planets and moons, revealing their true majesty. Isn't it amazing to witness the incredible diversity and stunning landscapes of our solar system? If you're as captivated by solar system imaging as we are, make sure to follow our channel for more awe-inspiring content. We'll continue to share our knowledge, tips, and stories from our own solar system imaging adventures. Thank you for joining us on this extraordinary journey across our solar system. Remember to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, so you never miss out on our upcoming videos. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of the cosmos, keep capturing the beauty of our celestial neighbors, and keep dreaming among the stars. This is Stories Through by AI, signing off.